how to turn off the sensitive content filter in the Telegram application on both iOS and Android devices. If you want to enable sensitive content in Telegram app and view media such as graphic violence and other sensitive content in the app, you first want to open the web browser on your device. The official Telegram app doesn't have the option in the settings, so we have to dig a little deeper. In your browser, type Telegram web and then hit enter on your keyboard. We want to open a website called web.telegram.org, and I will make sure to leave the website link in the description in this video so you can open it from there. When we open the web version of Telegram, this site will take us to login page with our phone number and all that other stuff. You can log in with your phone number, but if you have a problem with that, you can simply scan the QR code by selecting this option right here and then follow the on-screen instructions, guys. When you successfully sign into Telegram, you will see the screen with your Telegram messages and channels, but we have to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of our screen, and then we will select the settings option. When we are on the setting page, scroll a little bit down until you see this privacy and security option. So click on it to open it. And now just scroll all the way to the bottom of this page until you see the sensitive content option, and just check the disable filtering option. That's going to turn off the sensitive content filter in the Telegram application, and you will be able to see graphic content, violent content, and all other sensitive content on Telegram. So that's it. If you want more quick educational videos like this, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.